To buy Melania meme coin on Trust Wallet, you need to have a Trust Wallet account and some Binance Smart Chain tokens for gas fees. First, download and install the Trust Wallet app from the App Store. Then create a new wallet and make sure to save the recovery phrase in a safe place. Next, add Binance Smart Chain to your Trust Wallet by going to the settings. Then Wallet, and clicking on the plus sign in the top right corner. Search for Smart Chain and select it. Now you need to add Melania meme coin to your Trust Wallet. To do this, go to the browser section of the app and search for the PancakeSwap website, which is a decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain. Then click on Trade and select the token you want to use to buy Melania meme coin, such as BNB, and enter the contract address of Melania meme coin. After entering the contract address, you should see the Melania meme coin token appear. Then select it and enter the amount you want to buy. Make sure you have enough BNB for gas fees. Then confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should see the Melania meme coin tokens in your Trust Wallet. Always be cautious when buying cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also important to note that Melania meme coin may not be listed on all exchanges and its value can be highly volatile. So make sure to do your own research before buying. By following these steps, you can buy Melania meme coin on Trust Wallet, but always prioritize your financial safety and security.